How to change administrator on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily change administrator on Windows 11. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Now let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is open up your control panel. So you'll have to check what kind of account you have. So for that, open up your control panel and then make sure that the view by is on large icon or small icons. Now here you just want to find user account, just click on it, and then here it will show you all of your available accounts. So this is my main account, so you can click on change account type, and then from here, as you can see, the main account is the administrator, but if you want to manage other account, you can click on it, and here as you can see, it will show you your other account. Then as you can see, if you want to make changes to this account, then you'll have to click on manage another account and then change account type. So if it is on standard and want to make this administrator, you're just going to have to click on administrator and then click on change account type. Now as you can see, it has been changed to administrator, and it's as easy as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.